I'm Dr. Arushi. I'm mother of Lavya and he has been on autism spectrum disorder. He was diagnosed in when he was like 3 years old. So उस टाइम पे हम काफ़ी हॉस्पिटल्स गए. Even we went to PGI and Lok Nayak Hospital in Delhi. And we went through all the therapies, all the sessions, but there was no improvement happening in him. Then some relative friend told us about the IIAHP Institute, and we came here, and now we have seen incredible changes in Lavya. He's not only learning pictures, descriptions, but he's also like giving us. It is helping in his daily routine. Everything is very helpful. उसको सब चीज़ों की समझ आ रही है. Even his sensory issues have been resolved to great extent. He like follows the command very correctly these days. And IIAHP के जितने भी therapists हैं, they are really helping us in home plans and guiding us for his future and overall development. He has also started with some alphabets recognition and speaking. उसकी स्पीच भी काफ़ी इम्प्रूव हुई है पहले से. एंड आई कैन डेफिनेटली एश्योर एवरी पेरेंट दैट IIAHP is very best for the autism spectrum disorder, and they are very helpful to us. Thank you.